During this crucial situation, humans are constantly worried about their health and safety. In line with the modernization of time, we believe that technological development will bring a huge impact for the betterment of the world in various fields. With that, we are going to introduce you our project called Spatium Cautio. Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. I am Aisya.
I am Sanchitha.
I am Syafiqah Aqilah.
I am Nursuffiya Binti Azlan.
And I'm Thevasree and we are the representatives of Sekolah Menengah Sains Seri Puteri, Kuala Lumpur.
According to a research by the Johns Hopkins University, states that the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted education for 1.6 billion children worldwide over the past year. To overcome this, we introduced our project Spatium Cautio. Spatium Cautio is an innovation that assists students to maintain minimum distance according to the Standard Operating Procedures (SOP), which has been declared by the Health Ministry of Malaysia during the pandemic of COVID-19. This innovation is programmed in the form of tech for the convenience of the students.
During COVID-19 pandemic, teachers face the problem of ensuring students maintain the minimum distance required to meet the safety standards at school. Even students fail to estimate the accurate distance of 1 meter between themselves due to physical limitations.
The objective of this project is mainly to increase the efficiency of students maintaining social distance. Moreover, it will ease the responsibility of teachers, which is to ensure the students maintain social distancing among themselves during schooling hours. Next, Spatium Cautio is able to provide a safe environment for the educational sector to operate without contributing to further increase of R0 value and emergence of new clusters. Lastly, this project unleashes us to study the use and potential of ultrasonic sensor, piezo buzzer, and LED light.
Now, for the components, we have breadboard, Arduino Maker Uno X, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, LED light, and also jumper wires, both male to male and also female to male. So first of all, we will be connecting the breadboard and the Maker Uno. The next step is to connect the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino Uno and breadboard. The next step is that we will be connecting the piezo buzzer to the Arduino Uno. The next step is that we will be connecting the LED to Arduino Uno. Now our prototype is all ready to be tested. Now that the prototype is ready, we should put it to test. So we will be connecting the prototype to the power source to test it out.
When the distance between two students is less than 1 meter, the ultrasonic sensor on the prototype will detect the distance of 1 meter by emitting ultrasonic sound waves. and the reflected sound waves will be converted into electrical signal. The signal will be sent to the buzzer to create vibration, and the LED light will lit brightly. Hence, the individual will be alert to mind their social distancing.
Spatium Cautio is a prototype meant to tackle the spread of pandemic among educational institutions bound to rules of these institutions and limited budget estimation. Other commercialized products appears to be a breach of school rules in Malaysia, which bans phone in school, while schools in the rural area face complications to access stable internet connection as well as advanced technology, hence consuming a huge budget. Most of these products also need the assistance of GPS and Bluetooth, not to mention its design which seems incompatible for students. Needless to say, most of the products also raise privacy concerns among the public, especially posing a threat for school students to be tracked by a third party. Unlike those, Spatium Cautio comes in the form of a tag which students are used to. For instance, Diyana tag, which ensures that students are at ease while handling this prototype. Spatium Cautio also does not store any personal information of the students and their location and does not require any high-tech navigation system to operate. Most importantly, this prototype is affordable, making it an all-to-go option for school students. Thus, Spatium Cautio tackles all of these complications and is the best alternative for students to stay safe despite attending school in this period. Spatium Cautio is an user-friendly product as the prototype is in small size that will ease students to wear it. The most important fact is this product does control the spread of the virus among students. Other than that, this portable innovation does prevent students from talking closely with each other. Spatium Cautio is an environmental-friendly product that does not emit greenhouse gases that will cause pollution to the environment. Our innovation saves time for teachers as they don't need to observe the students continuously. Lastly, our project can prevent the emergence of new clusters in institutions since the R0 value, which is a mathematical term that indicates how contagious an infectious disease is, can be reduced.
Spatium Cautio is a favorable prototype as it is much needed in the process of overcoming the COVID-19 pandemic. In terms of cost efficiency, this innovation is an affordable and worthy choice for society. This product can be sold at 40 ringgit per unit since the components used in this prototype are easy to be obtained. The product targets school students to be aware and safe. Spatium Cautio is a newly founded project through various research and trials. With that, we hope this competition will be a benchmark for our upcoming attempts.
We believe that this project has a high potential on helping people out there who are still wondering on how to maintain social distance, and it would be a waste if there is no further action taken.